Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your battery drain issues in your Redmi smartphones. How you can fix this issue. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings app, go to apps, then go to manage apps, and then you have to disable all the background data of your app like this. I show you. Click on Amazon, click on this, you can see storage and then data usage. If there is no data, then you have to click on another device, another app, you can see. First you have to just hide system apps, then click on any of this, you can see. Click on this, click on data usage, and friends, you can see this background data. Just off this, and this settings applies to all your apps. You have to do the same things on your all apps. It will not drain your battery as much as possible. You can see you have to do it with all the apps. Then press back. You have to go to security settings. You can see this security. Click on security. Then you have to optimize your battery by clicking on here. You can see if your battery is good or not. You can see 80% charge and remaining time you can show, and you can see whether it is the graph is showing down. You can see draining battery. If this graph shows like this, you can see you have to change the battery at the nearby store, or you can delete apps. It will also clear your storage and fix your hanging issues. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.